Welcome to Nelson's Wireless. Today, we're diving into a tough but crucial topic: cyber attacks and how to stay safe, secure, and resilient afterward. If you've recently been hacked or feel vulnerable, know that you're not alone. This video is here to guide you through steps to regain control and protect your digital life. First, let's confirm if your phone or computer has indeed been compromised. Some signs include unusual activity on your accounts, new apps that you didn't install, or battery life suddenly draining faster than usual. A tool like Insert Recommended Antivirus Software can scan for any suspicious activity. Now, let's take action to secure your accounts. Start by updating all your passwords, especially for email, social media, and banking apps. Create strong passwords that combine uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If you need help generating secure passwords, tools like LastPass or Dashlane can be lifesavers. Did you know? Using a password that's 12 characters or more can make it exponentially harder for hackers to crack, and turning on two-factor authentication or 2FA can reduce the risk even further. With 2FA, even if someone gets your password, they'll still need an additional code sent only to you. If you're worried about a cloned phone or hacked computer, it might be time for a factory reset. This process clears out any lurking malware. Before doing this, back up important files to a secure location, like an encrypted external drive or a cloud service. For more information on staying secure, check out resources like the National Cybersecurity Alliance. Their website offers tips and updates on the latest cybersecurity practices. After securing everything, keep an eye on your accounts. Set up alerts for unusual login attempts or new devices accessing your accounts. Some financial institutions even allow for custom alerts notifying you about any unexpected transactions. If you've been dealing with the aftermath of a cyber attack, remember, it's okay to feel unsettled. These experiences can shake anyone, but you've taken essential steps to protect yourself, and with each day, you're getting stronger and more resilient. Hold on to your blessings, my friend. You've weathered the storm and you're moving forward one step at a time. Keep being vigilant, but know that you're stronger than any cyber threat. Remember to like, subscribe, and join our community if you want more guidance and support.